Welcome to our in-depth exploration of OctoTools, the revolutionary AI framework. In this video, we'll uncover what OctoTools is, why it was created, and how it's changing the landscape of artificial intelligence. Get ready to discover your new AI superpower. OctoTools is an innovative AI framework designed to simplify and accelerate the development and deployment of AI solutions. It was created to address the growing demand for accessible, scalable, and versatile AI tools, empowering developers and businesses to leverage the full potential of artificial intelligence without needing extensive specialized knowledge. What makes OctoTools stand out? Let's dive into its core features that truly set it apart in the AI landscape. One of OctoTools' most impressive features is its incredibly user-friendly interface. It's designed to be intuitive, allowing both AI experts and newcomers to navigate and utilize its powerful capabilities with ease. This means less time spent learning and more time building. OctoTools boasts exceptional scalability and flexibility. Whether you're working on a small prototype or a large-scale enterprise solution, OctoTools adapts to your needs. It can handle vast amounts of data and complex computations, ensuring your AI models perform optimally, no matter the demand. Another major advantage is its seamless integration capabilities. OctoTools is built to play well with others, allowing easy integration with existing systems, databases, and other AI frameworks. This means you can enhance your current infrastructure with AI without a complete overhaul. Now that we've covered the key features, let's peek under the hood and understand how OctoTools truly works its magic. At its core, OctoTools leverages advanced AI modules. These modules are pre-trained and optimized for various tasks, from natural language processing to image recognition. This modular approach makes it easy to combine and customize functionalities to fit specific project requirements. OctoTools excels in data processing and analysis. It efficiently handles large datasets, cleans, transforms, and analyzes them to extract valuable insights. This robust data pipeline ensures that your AI models are trained on high-quality, relevant information, leading to more accurate and reliable outcomes. The real power of OctoTools shines through its diverse use cases. Let's explore how it's being applied across various industries to solve real-world problems. From automating customer support with intelligent chatbots to optimizing supply chains through predictive analytics, OctoTools is already making a tangible impact. Imagine AI assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases or personalizing educational content for students. These are just a few examples of OctoTools in action. Industries benefiting from OctoTools include healthcare, finance, retail, and manufacturing, among others. Its adaptability makes it a valuable asset for any sector looking to innovate and gain a competitive edge through AI. Ready to dive in and experience OctoTools for yourself? It's easier than you might think. Getting started with OctoTools is straightforward. We provide comprehensive documentation and an easy-to-follow installation and setup guide. You'll be up and running with your first AI project in no time. You're not alone on your OctoTools journey. We have a vibrant and supportive community, along with extensive online resources, tutorials, and forums to help you every step of the way. Connect with other users, share insights, and get your questions answered. As we wrap up our exploration, let's take a moment to recap the incredible advantages OctoTools brings to the world of AI. OctoTools empowers you with simplified AI development, scalable solutions, seamless integrations, and a supportive community. It's designed to make AI accessible and effective for everyone, from individual developers to large enterprises. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Drop a comment and tell me which AI topic you want next.